Today we're going to talk through the second stage of cleaning our barbecue. This time I'll be utilising CIF Outdoor BBQ and BBQ PRIDE. Let's see what the results are like. BBQ PRIDE, CIF Outdoor BBQ. So, after the initial tests, following the 4-hour application, you can see the results for yourself. This side being the BBQ PRIDE, and this side being the CIF Outdoor BBQ. Personally, I think on this application, BBQ PRIDE just pipped it. And at around £4 a bottle, including some bags and some gloves, that's pretty good for the money. Whereas currently on Amazon, February 2020, CIF Outdoor BBQ is retailing at £8. So you tell me which is the better for the value for money.